Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today we're making corned beef stew. So we're gonna start off. We need 2 tins of corned beef. We're also gonna need 1 onion chopped, and also I'm using 5 tomatoes. We're gonna blend it together, and then a 1/4 tomato paste. This is ground ginger. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon, and then whatever seasoning you have you could use. I'm using Old Bay. Also I'm going to use 1 cup of olive oil. You could use whatever oil you have, and so we're going to use that, and then our seasoning is going to be whatever you have, but I'm using Old Bay, I'm using garlic powder, and I'm also going to use Jamaican curry powder as well. So go ahead and put your cooking pot on the stove and put it on medium heat, and then we're gonna add our cup of oil to it. So at this time we're going to add our chopped onions. I'm gonna stir it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our tomatoes. We blended our tomatoes. You don't want it to be too smooth. I also added a half pepper to it, and so don't forget about your pepper. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger, ground ginger, and stir it up. And now we can add our tomato and our pepper to our onions and ginger. We're gonna let that, so we're gonna put that in, and then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes. So while our tomato sauce is cooking, we're gonna open our corned beef, and this is how you open it. You put your key in and make sure you secure it, and then you turn all the way till you open it. The top opens, it cuts through. So at this time our tomatoes is cooking beautifully. We're gonna add our tomato paste. This is 1/4 cup of tomato paste. We're gonna add it to it, and we're gonna mix it up. And so at this time, go ahead and add your seasoning. I added the Old Bay. Now I'm adding my curry powder to it. I'm also gonna add my garlic powder, and I'm gonna stir. We're not gonna add salt yet because the corned beef has a lot of salt in it, so I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna add my corned beef first, then if I need salt I will add, but I'm gonna doubt it. I'm not gonna need salt. So let it cook, and now we're going to add our corned beef. Add your corned beef and mix it together. We're also gonna add a half cup of water. Yeah, and then stir it gently. After you stir gently, turn down the heat on your stove. Turn it down to low and let it cook and simmer gently. You could do that for about 5 minutes on low, and your corned beef stew will be ready. no cover. Your stew, turn it down to low and let it cook. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes. Our corned beef stew is ready, is good to go. I hope you try it. We did not add salt because the corned beef already has salt. I thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. You could eat this with rice. I can add a boiled egg to it if you want to. You can also eat it with kenke. You could eat it with yam. You could eat it with gari. You could do it with anything that you want to. I thank you for stopping by today. I hope you're safe and bon appetit. Until next time.